Step on her head. Hey, look. Hey.
He's all like, oh shit, that's looking at
Okay. What are you doing to him, Rockrat? What are you doing to my blue-eyed baby? Oh, shit.
With thyroid eye disease, I hid from the camera, and I wanted to hide from the world. For years, I thought my TED was beyond help. But then, I asked my doctor about Tepezza. Tepezza is the only medicine that treats TED source, not just the symptoms. In a clinical study,
Look,
patients taking Tepezza
Babe, look
had
at
less
her.
eye bulging. Tepezza is an infusion. Patients taking Tepezza may have infusion reactions. Tell your doctor right away if you
Look at him, he's all hugging her.
shortness of breath, or muscle pain. Before getting Tepezza, tell your doctor if you have diabetes, IBD, or are pregnant or planning to become pregnant. Tepezza may raise blood sugar even if you don't have diabetes, and may worsen IBD such as Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis. Now, I'm ready to be seen again. Visit mytepezza.com to find a TED eye specialist and to see Bridget's before and after photos.
I have COPD because I
Si no lo dejas en paz, Roxy.
myself. My tip is, if you're having people over for
That's
Thanksgiving,
pretty cool. The ring thing. It has a thing. I can let you also use it. This one I can share with you. You gotta download the app and you can move it.
What is it?
The ring thing. So everybody has ring in the corner, and they put like it's like the neighborhood app.
Mm-hmm.